Hey guys, welcome back. Today I've got a very interesting cryptocurrency review, if you want to call it that, of this crypto called DENT. If you look over here, dentwireless.com. First of all, actually, thank you guys so much for everybody that's given some feedback on the previous videos. I know you guys like the student coin videos, but I think you would find quite a bit of a benefit in me showing you, especially after today, you'll see a bit more of some other cryptocurrencies and some few other finds that I think could really skyrocket, and the reasons why they could skyrocket, which Dent is one of them. And thanks a lot for your feedback. Thanks a lot for your support so far, the likes, the comments, the subscribers, and also, well done to those of you that have joined both on Binance and on Student Coin. Using my referral links, you get your extra 5%. So congratulations to you guys that have taken advantage of that. For today's video, those of you that have not, before you do anything, I'm going to be showing you later how to use Binance to purchase DENT. It is available on Binance, so go register. So long using my referral link below, you get an additional 5% on the Binance link on all your trades, which DENT will be part of a trade, not a purchase. So before we do anything, please do take advantage of that extra 5%. So, okay, what is DENT? So if we look at the DENT website, basically, we go to their homepage over here, and it says scroll to explore, which we'll do. So it says mobile data simplified. Welcome to DENT Wireless, your new digital and global mobile operator. So, okay, they've got some data plans. The data, like the data market worldwide, I've just done a bit of a search quickly just before we start, is set to hit 274 billion US dollars by 2022. Okay, so just keep that number in mind as we go. But basically 274 billion, it was 169 billion in 2018. So it's somewhere probably closer to the 274 mark at the moment. But that's what the mobile data industry is globally. Okay, so just keep that number in mind. So they're going to have some data plans, voice calls, marketplace for telco and digital assets, which is pretty cool on the exchange, and then mobile data sharing. We're going to be a global digital mobile operator within the globe with a global vision. It developed a global marketplace for buying and selling of telco assets like eSIM and digital SIM cards, mobile data packages, voice minutes, top-ups. Over 25 million users have already registered. That's pretty interesting. Already registered for our services and products, and over 220 telcos already available on the platform. As a digital and global operator, we provide our customers with the most convenient way of staying online while traveling. No more expensive roaming fees. So essentially, I've gone and looked on Bitcoin Wiki as well. It's quite a nice platform to look at a quick summary. They say it's a new cryptocurrency that promises to disrupt the mobile data industry in the world. I think that's very true, because again, like all these cryptocurrencies, like Student Coin with the student loans and the crowdfunding, it takes away a lot of the centralization around all of this stuff. Because I don't know about you guys, but here in South Africa, for example, I mean, I've been to a few countries around the world. Data, as we say, or data, as you say, it's not too expensive across the world comparative to here. I mean, here we pay stupid amounts, especially if you buy the gigabytes. Like if you do wireless and fiber and stuff, it's not bad. But if you do like a gigabyte at a time, it's just crazy expensive. And I'm sure it's like that all over the world. It's because you've got a handful of companies that are actually providing this data. So this would be amazing if they could just go and disrupt all of this, and like Bitcoin did with the money system so far and plans to do, and all the other cryptocurrencies. This would be great for mobile data. And basically, it's called DENTcoin is called DENT Wireless Limited, excuse me, and the company has a goal to liberate mobile data by allowing anybody to buy, sell, and donate data through the Ethereum blockchain. The DENTcoin lies at the center of this market and is universal currency for data markets. So you can read a little bit more up about it, basically, but they're looking to disrupt the data. And then also a big thing here, $4.8 billion of data remains unused. So I'm sure they're going to take advantage of that as well, because these mobile data companies that's just free money that they get. You pay for the stuff and you don't use it, especially when you get SIM cards globally. And then the roaming fees, like they say on their website. So I think it's pretty cool. I think it's pretty innovative. Samsung blockchain. Wow. Okay. So, I mean, it's built off the Ethereum network. They've already got some really strong partnerships. In all honesty, I actually saw this every now and then. If you go on CoinMarketCap, you can go look at the top performers. And let's have a look here if we can do it. I'm used to the app. Top gainers. Let's see if it's still there. No, it's not there. But if you go on the CoinMarketCap app, it gives you the top gainers, and it is in there. But just for interest's sake, if we go to DENT quickly, you'll see in the last. So it has. Okay, I didn't even know this. Some of the things I'm learning with you guys as I go through it. It has actually been over 10 cents before in the last um, sort of bull run, which is pretty cool. Okay, so that's awesome. So its all-time high is what is it? All-time high is pretty much that's a 24-hour high. Excuse me, the all-time high. Anyway, just over 10 cents. So that's pretty cool. But if you look at the last day, it's just jumped a lot. It's pretty much close to double, almost doubled. So it's been one of the top performers. Okay, the only worrying thing is there's 100 billion of these. So for this to go to $1, for example, it doesn't need to go to $1 for you to make money. I mean, if it just goes to 10 cents again, like it did, I mean that's pretty much a 10x over there, 10, 11, 12x, which is not out of the ordinary. It would be interesting to know what the supply was back then, but that's not too bad. I mean, that's not too much to ask for it to go to just 10 cents, and then that would take that. Yeah, that would take it to 10 billion, excuse me, on the market cap as a 10x. So if it was at the 10 billion mark, it would bring it right about around there. So maybe a little bit too much to ask at the moment. But remember, we did say that there was a $274 billion global big data business around there. So I mean, if it can take 5% of that, 10 billion is well within reach. So again, it's worth a punt if you invest some money that you're willing to lose. And if it goes to nothing, you're willing to lose it. If it goes up the way we think it goes up, it's a lot of money you could be making. So that's just in a nutshell what it is. Now I'm going to show you how to trade this using Binance. So I'm going to just get the Binance tab open here. Excuse me. So okay, so you can head over to Binance. You use my referral link in the description. Then what you need to go do first is you need to say to this buy crypto tab. Okay. You go to the easiest I found, because you go sign up and you do everything. The easiest I found was to do credit or debit card. Okay. Once you've done that, you will select USDT. Where's the US dollars? Sorry, US dollars. And here you will select USDT. It's the most stable sort of ratio between the two. And you would enter your amount and you would buy US dollars and you would have it in your account. So you can go look at wallet and then you can look in overview and it will pop up in your overview. Once you're done there, you go to markets. And very importantly, once you're in markets over here, you'll see these tabs. You'll see the BNB, the BTC, alts market. You need to go to the fiat market because your USDT is fiat, and this is for every time you do USDT. So again, the reason you put USDT, it's pretty much a 1-to-1 ratio. It's the most stable. And if you want to trade any cryptocurrency, whether it be Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any of the other currencies, and you want to take profits, it's always good to trade it back to USDT because you can keep it stable. and you can set prices to buy and sell it at using USDT, as I'm going to show you in a second. So we're going to go to DENT. So we've got the DENT/USDT. You're going to click it there. Now you're in the markets page. Okay, this might look complicated to those of you that haven't used it before. This might look super complicated, but basically what you're going to do here is you're going to ignore everything here, keep it on spot. Don't go to the isolated 3x. That's something completely different. When you want to buy over here, right, you're going to look at the price. So let's say I want to buy this. You're going to set your price here. So let's say you wanted, remember, the price here needs to be below the current price. If you put a price in, higher than the current price, it's going to buy it at the current price. Okay, everybody got that? So if you put 0.009999, let's say a 9 there, it's going to buy it at this current price of 0.009052. It's going to buy it at the lower price, the current price. Okay, everyone make sense? So now you'll see the current price here. So you need to put a value lower than it. So let's say you want to get it under 0.09. You can put a price here of literally 89999. Okay. Then you'll have your US dollar amount over here, and it will give you the amount of DENT. You can put it full. Okay. This US dollar amount needs to be at least $10 that you put in the USDT. You need to be able to trade with that. Once you're done, mine's going to pop up because I don't have anything in this account. I've emptied it. Say buy DENT. It's going to tell me the order failed because it needs to be more than $10. So you'll go place your order there. Once your order has been fulfilled, you can then go to your orders and you can just click orders or your spot order, or your order history. Where's your order history? Where's the order history? Okay, it's not there. It's on the other page once you've clicked spot order. But here you can monitor your orders on spot order, and you can see your order history there as well. If the price goes, so you'll monitor this price on CoinMarketCap or on Binance itself. And then when it goes below that price, it's going to automatically trigger it. You don't need to do anything. You go back to your wallet. You go to overview over here. And it will give you your overview of your cryptos over here. And that's as simple as that. So just remember, the 5% you get when you do trades. A trade is, as we said, under markets. So for example, a trade is Bitcoin to USDT or USDT to Bitcoin. When you go in and buy crypto, when you buy it like this, using your credit card, and you buy the amount and you buy Bitcoin straight away or USDT, that's a purchase, not a trade. Just to clarify that for everybody. So I hope this tutorial wasn't too complicated. Please let me know if it is too complicated. I can make a simpler version. Can't really make it much simpler, but if you have any questions, please put it in the comments and let me know what your thoughts are on DENT and where you guys think it's going and if you're going to be investing or not. Cheers, everyone.